Independent Roller Door Services supply, install and repair roller doors, panel lifts, industrial doors and window shutters, and also offer automation of new and existing doors and gates. We stock a wide range of products from B&D Doors, Steel Line Mirage, Dynamic Doors. In fact, Independent Roller Door Services are able to supply any product from any supplier at the best price. Need to fix that door urgently? Our after-hours service and 23 years of experience is guaranteed to get your door problem solved fast. Independent Roller Door Services. We get your doors rolling.